Hi guys, so let's check how you can calculate the formwork quantity quickly in my build cost. What I've done is I have created two item groups. One is concrete, second is formwork, and I have already calculated the concrete quantity for plinth beams, and I want to calculate the shuttering quantity. So what I'm going to do is I'll first go inside my concrete quantity. As you can see, I've already done the tracings here, and this is my measurement sheet for plinth beam concrete. So this has been traced, and this has been manually written. So wherever there is a line, you know that its tracing has been done. So now my shuttering quantity for plinth beams is going to be length into height into 2 times. So first of all, what I'm going to do is just select everything, copy all of this under shuttering, just paste it. Once this is pasted, I need to delete all of this. So first of all, let's delete this width, then this, and now this one would be the last one, which is here. Delete. Okay, so now what I have is I have length into height, and I'm getting the quantity, so I just need this to be 2. So in the quantity column I'll put 2, and here I have the shuttering quantity. So if I go back, I have 63.79 square meters. If I want, I can even add in wastage and everything within this. So with the help of copy paste and such features in my build cost, you can calculate quantities much faster. Thank you.